everybody, and welcome back to another Modest Blocks video. And today we are playing a new game that's only been showed on my channel as a short with the dog. Go check it out, link in the description. But yeah, today we're going to be destroying the Boeing 737 plane. So what should we do? Oh, let's open the doors. That's fun. Let's do that. Why is it so hard to open a door? This is weird. Ah! Holy crap! Oh my gosh! The whole plane's getting destroyed! Whoa! Hello, Mrs. Karen. Nice to meet you. Well, that's something. I didn't think that was gonna destroy the whole plane. There's somebody's arm. Just disappeared. Let's throw this. Is it gonna disappear? No, it didn't. Just fly backwards. There's somebody stuck on the outside of the plane. I don't know how that happened, but it did. I have an idea. Let's destroy the engine. Shotgun! Shotgun! Pistol! Hunting rifle! Oh, crap. It's not sounding good. Sounds like it's getting destroyed. So pipe bombs in. These are banana bombs! Take them bananas. Bonanza. It's a bonanza. Bonanzers. Somebody count how many times I said banana or bonanza. Somebody's gonna have the time to do that, and it's gonna be a ridiculous amount. Rocket launcher. Ah! Yeah. I'm gonna fill this thing with nitroglycerin. That's good. Might take a while, but knowing me, it's probably going to be a time lapse or something. Okay, so it's time for the fireworks show. Oh my god. I didn't shoot them all. There we go. And that. And that. That. Get it. I'm gonna need a hunting rifle. Boom. Now it all exploded. And it looks like there's a lot of fire. Don't worry. I have a tool for it, and I'm also going to turn invincible. Just in case the fire gets me. Firefighter! Woo! Water! Yeah! Putting the crap out of it. Yeah, there's not gonna be fire left. There's a fire extinguisher, but it's nowhere near as effective as this is. This is very effective. And I might be talking loud because of that, so sorry if I was talking loud for that portion of the video, but my sound wasn't great, so yeah. Knife the plane. It's not really working. I can't even got one left while I had this. Let's go. Does anybody know how you pull the gun out with the titanium gauntlets? No, you can, but I don't know how to do it. Perfect. Whoa! Back there. Oh, crap! Okay. Let me know if there's any maps you want me to check out, because I will do it. So yeah, in the comments down below, make sure to say if you want something like that. I forgot I have the hungry slime spawn to ask again. Can I pick the plane up? No, I can't. I'm kind of just going through all my weapons and seeing if there's one that I want to try. This katana, for sure. This is these voices stuff. Okay, now we're gonna see if we can chop the plane in half. Holy, it's laggy. It's very laggy. Oh crap. No! I don't want it to fall. Perfect. Now the plane's just in 2 pieces floating. I think that's perfect. Just a floating plane. It's normal stuff. Don't question it. For some reason I feel like repeating things today. I don't know. Sometimes I just do that. That was fun. It looks like milk. Visualize out the water looks like milk. I'm a milk machine. I'm a milk fire. Milk fighter.
I like it, but not a lot. I don't like it.
Let's spawn some stuff, shall we? Like, let's spawn I don't know. Give me a second.
2,000 years later.
I found one. It's a stormtrooper.
Alright, man, load your weapon.
Ah! Whoa! What are you doing? You don't have the permission to shoot me. Can I get away from me? I can. Did I just cut him in half? No, I didn't. Does this do anything? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it does. Oh. I love that sound. That's funny. He's still alive. Cat fired. Smart pistol. This is to get him. You know what? You can say bye-bye to me. He's gone. I grabbed him, and now he's into the sun, probably. Yeah, he's never coming back. Just get rid of these. Now, what should we spawn? It sounds like the water is really close to me. Oh, it's evil. And it works. That's not good. Am I gonna be able to get it? I think I'm invincible, so. Sorry, that was friendly.
Hey Modest Blocks, do you remember this video?
Damages. You can't get me. I will shoot. Doesn't think it's powerful, so let's see. Wait, what if we just went? Oh, it's getting close. What if we do this? Is the rope gonna break? break and find out if it's hold it. Yes, it does hold it. It's just dangling down here. Acid gun. Eats these. Eat slime. How many slimes? Oh, I never used that before. Laser rifle.
Hung.
Why is it saying Can you destroy this thing or is it indestructible? I thought I was making a noise, but I don't think it was. Bullet. Is this saber? Or did I? Play the slightly stupid song. If it's not copyright.
I use the Force 'cause I am a Jedi!
Got thunder. Oh my god! It's dead! It's definitely dead because I hear the FNAF noise piercing my ears. Pew, pew. Well, let's just play with the dog. Yeah, it's dead. I didn't know you could do that, but yeah, we did it. I destroyed the dog. I'm like the hunter of the indestructible things.
It's Tom Carter. Tell us exactly what you saw. We spotted him in the dumps, and now we got him cornered over there. How can you be sure this is the real Elvis? I know the king, and that's him. Good enough. Get a picture of that. Go, boys. Go get him. You're not going to kill him, are you? No, we just gonna put some tranquilizers in him. The king has always had a high tolerance for tranquilizers. He's down! Elvis lives and we're gonna prove it. My agent told me not to do this. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh. Elvis, why did you fake your own death? There's 3 darts in him and he's still going. Oh, he's charging! Brace yourselves, he's ramming! Oh, damn it, I dropped the keys! Take him out!
First I destroyed the indestructible dog, now I destroyed the indestructible wooden cheetah. And now the rest of the animatronics. Foxy. Let's do Foxy actually. Yeah. Bop. Take that. Take that, Foxy. He's making noise. Right in his other eye. Did I actually kill him? Yes, I did. Oh my gosh. This Foxy's weak. Withered Foxy is a weak dude. Maybe it's just because he's been through a lot. Bye-bye, Foxy. Somewhere down there. Run! Didn't run that far. Okay, now Withered Freddy! My man! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! He's alive. Let's get him in the air, just so it's easier to get him. Is he dead? There's a very good chance he is dead. And I don't know if he is. Just cover him in acid. We're gonna find out because I'm gonna... Yep, he's dead. That's for sure. He's not moving. Okay, who is next? Bonnie, I think. Withered Bonnie, my boy. What is that noise? That's creepy. Damage? He does damage, barely. I'm definitely not in indestructible mode. You're weak, Withered Bonnie. You're weak. Weak. Little feeble bunny. Piano pole. Ba 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 ba. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. I don't think he's on the plane wing anymore. Since the plane's pretty destroyed, I am going to move to the next map. Hello everybody. Welcome back. Let me change the weather because it's dark. We are on the flaming building plus helicopter map. And here we are. Get out of here. We're gonna lift off. And I don't really know how to fly this, so I guess we're just gonna figure it out as we go. We're going. We're lifting off. Let's throw some pipe bombs outside. We're almost landing on the plane. Oh, not here. Oh! I almost fell. Crap! Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh! Ah! Oh no! We're going down! Jump! Oh my! It's going down! Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hunting rifle. Oh! Come on, we gotta stop it. We don't want him to die, do we? Maybe, because it looks like they're gonna die either way. Yeah, the whole cockpit's gone, so I don't think they survived. Is there anything left of them? I don't know if that's part of them. Probably not. Was that the cockpit that got destroyed? No. I don't think, or no. Yeah, I think it was. Why is it rotating? What is happening? Oh, we're stuck in the floor, that's why. Yeah. It's kind of hollowed out. Let's go all the way back here, because, there's another one. And also, we can destroy the building, just for fun. Is that firefighters? Yes, it is. It's firefighters. What did I just throw? The alarm's going off. Is the building destroyed at all? In any way or form? No, it's not. Okay, well. Let's just throw them up. Hey, buddy. You ever wanted to go through some totally not real glass? Here you go. He's done. No, he's not alive. Hey, go up there. That's a leg. Yeah, I probably shouldn't do that because I'm not surviving. Their alarm's going off. Get out of here. The alarm's annoying. Well, voice crack. I don't think that was a voice crack actually, but I'm gonna say it was because, yeah, fun. Sorry if I'm not talking a lot in this video, guys, but I am trying to focus because I usually focus on this game. Let's just put some rapid patience on this thing, yay. Wait, let's see if we can get the dog away. And down? Yeah, let's do it down. Yeah, let's see if we can make it go down. Oh, I can't see it. It's not really doing anything. Go. Go play with it. Let's go. This is not a plane. FYI. It's a helicopter. Let's go! Hello! You know what? What happens if it does not like it when I use it. That's why. It's because the things are supposed to move. It is flying off of its thing, and this is not good. Oh, I did it! I was able to stick a bomb on. Yeah! Perfect shot. And now, the thing goes... Whee! Right into the building. Whee! Whee! So fun. Huh. Whee! Whee! Woo! Yippee! I don't think there's much left of it. Yeah! This is so fun! It's like a playground. Why is it flying up to the float? This is gonna hurt. Oh my gosh. That was painful. Oopsie! Oh, oops, I don't like that thing. Oh, oops, I don't like that either. 'Cause it's the siren. I don't like the siren. Oh. Well, that works. Let's go. Let's go, buddy. Come on, dude. You don't know how to climb a building. Are you serious? Cause I am a Jedi. Oh. Protect him. He's alive. Get up. Oi, on his head. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I forgot to damage the building very severely with this thing. Yeah. Well everybody, that concludes another Modest Blocks Teardown episode. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye!